So the glove compartment on this bike scooter is also broken. The hinge adapter was hanging off. It's plastic. So the plan is to show you how to plastic weld again. I did a few of these. I'm basically doing them as I go through this project. There's a couple of little broken bits that we need to fix. First, I'll get rid of the screws holding the hinges in place. I'm calling them hinges, but they're plastic hinges. We're going to completely remove that glove compartment fascia and use some cable ties and, well, basically sort it out. So firstly, I'm going to super glue it on just so it's held in place. So it's a bit easier when I start welding the cable ties on. So I'm going to let you watch the rest of this process. It's quite ingenuitive. You basically, depends on what you've got, apply the same context to what you're trying to repair and you should be fine. So yeah, I basically use the solder iron to melt a few holes, and I put some, well, you'll see it. You'll see how I get through it. But this is a few of these I'm about to do, and they seem to be coping okay, the previous fixes I've done.